2019 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, power door locks, power windows, MP3 player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.